Detoxing and keeping your system running smoothly is a wellness trend that seems to be here to stay. From dry brushing to gentle daily massage, various techniques are best to keep your blood and lymph moving. For reference, the lymphatic system works as the waste removal system within the body, carrying toxins and waste out to be released. Various factors may cause this fluid to stay stagnant, leading to various health issues and other side effects. By performing a lymphatic drainage massage helps stimulate the flow of this fluid and removal of toxic waste. If you're struggling with swelling, whether it's from an injury or a condition like lymphedema, performing these gentle movements can make a big difference in the way that you feel and the level of swelling you experience. Plus, the outlet notes, it helps improve circulation and decongest areas of stagnation. People suffering from chronic stress, indigestion, arthritis, fibromyalgia and migraines can all benefit from this type of massage. However, Medical News Today explains, those with blood clots, heart failure, infections, circulation problems or infections should not perform lymphatic drainage massages. But before we talk about the best oil for a lymphatic drainage massage, let's find out what lymphatic drainage massage really does. A wellness trend that has captivated audiences, lymphatic drainage can range from simple techniques to the more complex. For instance, dry brushing and rebound jumping are said to spur lymphatic drainage, which touts benefits such as a better mood, heightened immunity, and a decrease in the appearance of cellulite, Vogue notes. But, what does the lymphatic system do? When you get sick, one indicator of illness are swollen lymph nodes in the neck or other areas of your body. These nodes correspond with your system's ability to fight off infection by removing waste, Marie Claire explains. The system itself is made up of pathways and tissues that remove toxins as well. The substance that travels through the network is called lymph, a liquid supply of white blood cells that combats infection and other pathogens. The system's primary objective revolves around removing this fluid and helping it empty back into the bloodstream, while also allowing the cells to maintain an optimal level of fluid. So, this system is a big deal. The self-care routine of lymphatic drainage massage aims to bolster this system's ability to remove toxins and do its job. Especially after you've been sick and your body has produced a high level of white blood cells. It may be a good idea to help the lymphatic system guide these cells back into the bloodstream and minimize stagnation. Plus, if you've recently had surgery, these techniques may aid in the lymphatic buildup that can occur afterward. Now, let's find out, which is the best oil for lymphatic massage. There's a reason why your massage therapist asks you which type of scents you enjoy during your massage. They make a difference. As far as lymphatic drainage goes, you can't go wrong with grapefruit oil. Mindbody Green suggests that it has detoxifying properties that help decongest the lymphatic system, and it's been shown to reduce symptoms of lymphedema. Add a few drops to a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba and gently massage for an uplifting self-care addition. Furthermore, juniper berry oil also promotes movement beneath the skin, the outlet suggests. Its detoxifying properties make for a healthy antimicrobial tincture. You can add to a carrier oil and massage it into sore areas or places where your lymph nodes feel stagnant. Of course, lemon oil also has similar properties that stimulate areas of slower movement. Stimulating and invigorating, lemon oil makes a fantastic ingredient in a body scrub that can spur blood and lymph flow. Before you begin your massage, Medical News Today suggests taking a few deep breaths. Pumping various lymphatic drainage hotspots such as the armpits and around the neck, and gently massaging your skin towards your heart. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos.